I'm Tony, and I've just finished my course of sessions with Joe, and I'm incredibly proud to say that I'm an ex-emetophobic. Over the course of the last 30 or 40 years or whatever it is, that fear gradually took over my life. It became a paralysing terror at the thought of being sick. I couldn't travel, I couldn't go to most places, I couldn't live a normal life. I've tried all kinds of treatment therapies, from hypnotherapy, cognitive behavioural therapy, regressional hypnotherapy, exposure therapy, which is grim, terrible. Anyway, I contacted Joe and he sent me a lovely email back saying, let's do it, let's do a session. And I committed to it, and I found it at times really difficult. I was second guessing it all the time, and Joe taught me through it and guided me through it and put me on the right track when I wobbled a little bit. I still don't want to be sick, but that's normal, I guess. That's how it should be. But I'm no longer paralysed with fear. I believe that when the time happens, if it happens, I'll be all right. I'll cope. I'll be fine. My life is, it's not just better. My life is amazing. Thank you for listening. I'm Tony, and I'm an ex-emetophobe.